This video is part of a Learning Phonics series to support new teachers, parents, and teaching assistants when teaching phonics. Keep watching to see more. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this.
Age.
Cage. The dog was locked in a cage.
Age.
Page. She turned the page of the storybook.
Age.
Stage. The stage was ready for the show. Margin. She had to draw a margin on her page. Lounge. They went to the airport lounge for some lunch. Magic. Ginger. Large. Orange. Village. Suggest. Stranger. Fridge. Cage. Page. Stage. Margin. You can use this video as a lesson starter or as a revision guide for your students. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.